come up with new ideas or new ways to use something, or maybe even new equipment like the stamp wheel.
So you invented the stamp wheel, and that's one of the biggest trends right now. Can you talk a little bit about the stamp wheel, how it was to invent it, and what thought process you had?
Absolutely. So I wanted to design a tool that will make stamping and learning stamping easy. I just thought about how the mechanism of stamping I can include in a tool. And there were different ideas at the moment. Honestly, I was just lying down in my bed and I thought about that. That's how the idea of the stamp wheel came. And the next day I went to my computer and put the digital design together. I happened to have a laser cutting machine and I created a prototype to test the concept if it would actually work. And for the mat of the stamp wheel, I used one of our background stamps as the mat. So I believe I used the pinstripe background because it has a very uniform design. If you ask any of our team members, they will tell you I've shared a picture of it, and I said, this is how it works, guys. And some of them were like, I'm not sure how this, because the picture was not clear. So I made a video of it. I'm like, yeah, you flick this plate and your cardstock sticks to the sticky mat here, which is the stamp at the time. So that was how the initial conception of the tool came about. This was back in summer 2020. Of course, we have come a long way, perfecting the process and getting the right size and the right mechanism manufactured takes quite a bit of time. It takes a lot of back and forth, but I'm so happy that we were finally able to release it this year. From what I hear, people have been loving it.
That's awesome.
What's the newest thing that had happened this year for Altenew?
So at Creativation, we introduced our stamp wheel, which is our first patented tool. And currently we're working with manufacturers to get it manufactured. I'm very excited about that.
It's really an innovative way to make sure that your stamps are aligned every time and you get perfect placement and you can do a lot of fun techniques. And the fact that it's a stamp wheel means that it opens up a lot of possibilities for repeating designs and circular patterns.
And since it's released, there have also been a few updated products that go with the stamp wheel. Can you speak about those?
Correct. So one of the techniques that you can use with the stamp wheel is you rotate the flip plate. You can create wreaths with any image. If you want that wreath to be centered on your card, it's really important that your cardstock be placed in the center of your tool. So in order to help with that, we have designed some L guides, which basically you stick it to your tool and it will help you place your cardstock right at the center of the tool. We are also offering sticky mats on the side. Always, one of my personal favorite things to do with the stamp wheel is stenciling. The sticky mat helps you to have your stencil right in place and you don't have to use your hand to hold the stencil down. You don't necessarily have to use the tool for that. You can take out the sticky mat, you can have it on the side. So having an extra sticky mat is also useful.
And some people were asking about extra clear plates. Are those going to be available in the shop?
Yes, so look forward to it very soon. We're going to have some extra clear plates with different grid lines as well.
Hello crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching!